All right, quick update. We've been working now a couple hours. It is 11:22. He was here before 9. We did move the box a hair, but I was wrong. Some of you guys are probably like, what are you talking about? This piece here, of course, goes on the outside. And when we had talked before, he was just showing me. So he was kind of showing me how the piece has to screw in. Basically, that's going to come into here, behind here. So we moved that just a hair, kind of marked the line because we knew it was level. We completed. I took this one out because he's got a little thing that he does. He likes to put electrical tape around the inside. I'll try to dump a photo in the show. It's this little thing he likes to do. So we did that one. He did all that one. That one was a little bit of a pain because you're leaning over the table versus, standing right in front of it. He's like, it's no big deal. This one I did. And that one, of course, was the end of the run. So just had to connect it to the one side because we had the jumpers already made for the other outlet. And then I just did the one for the refrigerator, which was on the other side. That's a single. This, haven't done that yet. What I'm gonna do now is come up here and connect the two reds because the red's just gonna continue on. We got the ladder, and I was looking for the red junction screw deals, but we're gonna get that connected and then put the cover plate on and keep on. I think we're gonna work till about 2, so we got a couple hours left. He likes to get usually a full day in if we can, at least 6, 7, 8 hours, but that's gonna work out good. I went up to the place, returned some stuff. They gave me some of the wrong stuff. It wasn't a lot, but then I had to get a couple more receptacles because we decided what's gonna happen. I don't know if maybe it is gonna be that one. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2 receptacles in up there. Originally, we were gonna do it a little bit different, but the reason why is the lights that I got, they have plugs that will plug right into here. And they're round lights, and I'll try to put a photo in, but they're super, super bright. They're round. I was talking about them earlier. And that way, if they ever go out, I'll have my little chains where they're hanging, and then I'll have to do an extension, maybe a small extension cord. But I can easily just plug them in as I need to. So what do you guys think? Like I said, this isn't any kind of commercial type stuff. This is just us having fun, doing the home shit. These that are not going to be in today, I think I said that earlier, so I'm going to wire those this weekend, maybe Monday, because I'm off Monday. That's going to be pretty simple. There's a red in there I'll just connect, and then the other ones go to the box. And we did take back 2, because this is going to be a GFI, but we need a cover plate that's instead of it being portrait, it needs to be landscape, because what we talked about doing, this block was kind of in the way as far as this old engine I got for our Lincoln, kind of swung it out of the way. But when we mounted that, he goes, well, hey, we could mount it sideways. So I mean, the plugs are going to be, of course, sideways, which I didn't care, but then we needed to have, instead of a cover plate that opens like portrait on your phone, it needs to be sideways, and they didn't have those. So leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, Fred's just helping me out. It's a homeowner permit, something simple, but we're taking our time. He's methodical in what he does, so we're gonna keep on. You know what I mean? Peace. Quick video update. It is 1:08. So what I did was I'm zip tying these wires together up there. That ended up not being a cover plate. Got that wired. So that's where the lights will plug in. Zip tied. What I did for now is I looped that for the lift. and that'll come down here, which obviously there's way, you know, we just left extra, but that'll get wired in. He put the, what's it called, Romex connector. So that's there. That'll get wired. Still have to do that. Like I said earlier, those were wired. And what I'm doing now is I'm tidying up the wiring with zip ties here. I'll put a couple here just to kind of make it clean. Fred's been working over here for a while. How's it going, Fred? Doing all right over here?
Yep. Trying to get that thing out of the hole right.
Yeah, that's what she said, man. Trying to bust it wide open. See, Fred's over here trying to bust it wide open. So yeah, these are getting all done up. It's coming together. One step at a time. Like Johnny Cash said, one part at a time. We're one step at a time. So we're gonna keep pushing through to see how far we can get. I think we're gonna wind down in a couple hours, maybe less. Go swim at the compound. Preston and his buddy are over there now. I put the wave runner in last night, and it is hot. The app today, I used Dark Sky, which I think Apple bought. Ironically enough, Apple has said that they're gonna shut down Dark Sky. I think they just wanted it to make their weather app better. I don't understand. Everybody loves Dark Sky app. I think it's free now. When I got it, it was $4.99. But I think they said the feels like temperature is 110. And I tell you, when I was up on the ladder a few minutes ago and I touched the metal, I mean, it is freaking hot. But it's not stopping us. We're keeping on. And earlier, this might be part 5. I'm getting the numbers confused because I did a post earlier and it was like, okay, part 1 was the pre. I think we did part 2 was first day, part 3, part 4. Part 5 I haven't edited yet. I have that footage. So I forget what number we're on, but basically you guys know if you're following along, we're getting it done. Stay on the rise. Yo, Fred's getting ready to move. I'm gonna pull the red car in. Man, today was awesome. It's only 1:55, so we're gonna make our 2 o'clock cutoff, go swim, hang out. What we ended up doing was the panel got, for the most part, squared away, and he's got this little thing on here. The panel got squared away with all the wires there. I zip tied this stuff here, cleaned up, and that became the plug I showed you earlier. So we just got a couple more things left to do, and then we'll be done. We have the switch, of course. That, of course, I will have to change. It's not gonna stay that way. That'll get looped down onto the PVC for the air. Come down to there. Fred, 2 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up, man. So we're gonna keep it going.
Go to the lake, bro.
Let's go swim. We're gonna go to the lake, and then the next time we'll be wrapped totally up. We'll be able to get the inspection, get the power release. Hopefully they'll do the underground. We'll be done. You know how we do. Peace.